This is a 2004 Acura RSX Sport. It has a desert silver exterior and a titanium interior with the RSX Trim Level. It has a 4-cylinder engine with 160 horsepower that gets an EPA of 34 miles per gallon highway and 25 mpg in the city. This Acura was a one-owner, local trade, and a non-smoker vehicle. Features include a CARFAX, sunroof, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, bucket seats, climate control, 4-wheel ABS, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Safety for your family with a 5-star driver front crash rating and a 4-star driver side crash rating. Shop for affordable used cars at Fisher Auto in Boulder.